Hi there, students. Nous, or is it noose? Well, I have problems with the pronunciation of this and the formality of it. In British English, nous is your intelligence, your wit, your brain power, your intellect. But it's really informal. I mean, a 3.5, a 3 in formality. But the Americans seem to pronounce this noose, as in the noose that goes round your neck, with the same meaning, but much more formal, with something like a 6.5 in formality. So, to me, this word nous, your intelligence, come on, use your nous. Don't be so silly. Yeah? Be logical. Anybody with a bit of nous should be able to see which of these is better value. Yeah? Anybody with a bit of nous would have known what to do. Yeah? Come on, use your nous. You're not stupid. Yeah? Okay, so using your nous, your mental acuity, is a good thing. Yeah, he's got a lot of nous when it comes to this type of thing. And then so nous, common sense. Yeah, but nous, as a word in philosophy, the mind, the intellect, rational and emotional, the logic that has come from to us from God or from divine beings. Yeah, it's our ability to think, our ability to reason. But I can't use the word nous to talk about that. I think I personally would try and use something else. But the nous is a very is a philosophical concept which philosophers have been talking about and thinking about for since Aristotle or even before. Okay, so okay, the nous, not the nous, the nous, is the part of the perception inside the mind or the mind's eye, which you then use for reasoning. It's not the activity of reasoning; it's the intellect itself. It's the nous. The nous is like a part of the character. Yeah, I have a feeling that our dear Henry would use the word nous, and he would not like the word nous at all. Okay, so the nous, the understanding, the reason and knowledge, the rational part of the human individual. Okay, the idea of good, but nous is British. Nous, good sense, shrewdness. He had the nous to take an extra pair of shoes with him, so that when they got wet, he could use them again. So the nous, use your nous, informal, yeah, common sense, gumption. But the nous, the part of your mind that's responsible for thoughts, for feeling, it's the base of where you are. It's the basis of cognition. It's from noesis. This is all. It's your maybe it's your ego. It's your mind itself. Okay, so the nous or the nous. I don't think I could use the nous. Your cognition, your mind, what you're capable of. Notice, I think this word nous is becoming more and more common. Yeah. So nous, good judgment. So to have nous in business. So clearly, the people who started this company have a lot of business nous. Yeah, they've got a lot of nous in business. Good judgment, practical ability, skill, yeah, intelligence and practicality. Yeah, so the nous, common sense, alertness, whereas the nous, the your intelligence, yeah, the part of your body that, or the part of your brain that is rational. Okay, the mind, the principle which governs everything. Okay, so nous 3.5 informality, nous 6.5 informality. Yeah, I would use nous informally, nothing more. Nous I would use semi-formally or above. As to origin, it comes from ancient Greek, nous, the mind, or nous, the mind itself. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Nous, or nous.